So this is the Triggertrap dongle. You get two cables, the dongle itself with the red wire and a specific cable for your camera. Inside that you can find the correct cable for your camera. Just choose the brand and the camera model and it will say which cable is the right one. For example, if you have the Sony A7, just choose Sony and A7 and then you can see what cable it is. It's the S2. And unfortunately the website doesn't work where you can purchase this one, but I'll leave a link to where you can buy it. So when you get the right cable, just start by setting your camera into manual mode. Just plug the two cables together, launch the app, plug the cable into your phone and plug it into your camera. If you have one of those little phone clamps and a tripod to hot your adapter, then you can put your phone on top of your camera. But I like to just lay it on my tripod. So there are a lot of different modes, but I'm not going to be going into all of them, just a few. First of all, you need to turn the volume all the way up, otherwise it will not work. So here's the first feature, the simple cable release. It's just like pushing the normal camera button, but just on your phone. The next feature is called quick release. You just hold the button and when you release the button, it takes a photo. Next one is called press and lock and it's for bulb mode. If you press it, it holds the shutter open and when you press it again, it closes. There's also press and hold, which just holds the shutter open when you hold the button. Timed release is just where you set an amount of seconds and then it's open for that amount of seconds. And the self timer is just like a self timer. Then you have time lapse where you put in the amount of seconds between each shot and you just press and you can see how many shots you have taken and how much time has passed by. Then we have time warp. It's where you can make a time lapse go fast in the start and the end, for example, and slow in the middle. And you just press the clock so you can see how fast it goes. Distance lapse uses the GPS to take a photo every 25 meters, for example. Star trial is where you can set an amount of pictures to take and the exposure time and how much time between them. Then we have some different kinds of sensors, for example the sound, where it takes a photo when it hears a loud sound, photo when something moves, like in front of the camera. But your phone has to be on a tripod, otherwise it won't work, as you see right now. And the vibration sensor is just like this. And then we have HDR and HDR time-lapse, and you can also connect it to your Apple Watch and use it with that. And you can also connect it to another Triggertrap app to trigger it that way. And then you have an ND calculator and a sun calculator, which tells you when the sun is gonna rise. And that was just a quick little time-lapse video that I made to show what you can do with this. So in conclusion, if you need an intervalometer for time-lapse videos or any of the other features, this is pretty great. But there's one major con, and that is you have to use a phone for it. And then you can't use your phone. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos.